infection. Scientists globally are leveraging technology to control and manage harmful organisms that cause infectious diseases and the spread of viruses. The key areas of focus are public health, agriculture, and environmental conservation. This was revealed during a global congress focusing on emerging genetic biocontrol technologies, as Tess Mutai now reports.
And economies in transition.
Scientists from 18 countries gathered in Nairobi to discuss elements of genetic biocontrol technologies that are emerging in the sector. The scientists said that the focus is shifting to techniques that alter the genes of an organism in order to control pest species in the environment by modifying their biological processes.
So this conference is all about genetically modified organisms, specifically genetically modified biocontrol agents. And specifically we are looking at new tools that people term them as gene drives, gene editing, or synthetic biology.
Through biocontrol technologies, mosquitoes are being genetically modified to reduce malaria infection in Africa.
A lot of our children are dying because of malaria, and it's a big problem in Africa. So genetically modification has also been started for malaria, and therefore we are interested in Africa because this is a tool that is going to help us reduce malaria.
According to biosafety experts, there is a need to create public awareness about genetic engineering.
We connect with this team because what they are doing is creating public awareness and education in the space of genetic engineering. Now, when we apply this technology, it targets specifically the pests, and it doesn't affect any other organism in the environment, therefore protecting the environment and also reducing the cost of production.
Another intervention is training Kenyan engineers on how to set up and maintain local laboratories where scientific studies will be undertaken in a controlled zone.
And the idea is we want to train people to set up such a infrastructure for BSL-3. We want to design, then really build it with a very, very huge local content, we call it, so from Africa directly, and finally also maintain it for themselves.
As scientists continue to focus on emerging trends in biocontrol technology sector, communication has also been highlighted as a key aspect in linking scientists and stakeholders. For KBC Channel 1, I am Teresa Mutai.